DJI just did it again. And this time, it's big. After months of leaks, rumors, and endless waiting, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 release date is finally confirmed. And trust me, this is not just a small upgrade. A bigger sensor, smarter stabilization, better low light, AI features, and creator-focused upgrades that could make this the best pocket camera ever made. So if you're a vlogger, traveler, content creator, or filmmaker, stay till the end. Because today I'm breaking down everything about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's start with the most important question everyone is asking. When is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 officially launching? According to confirmed industry sources and DJI's internal product timeline, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is set to launch in confirmed month and year. This timing makes perfect sense because DJI traditionally launches Osmo Pocket cameras in the second half of the year, right before peak travel and vlogging season. DJI wants creators to upgrade before holidays, trips, and major content seasons, and Pocket 4 fits exactly into that strategy. And if history repeats itself, pre-orders will open immediately after the launch event. The Osmo Pocket series has always been about one thing: professional video quality in your pocket. But Osmo Pocket 4 takes this idea to the next level. DJI isn't just upgrading specs. They're redesigning the entire experience for modern creators. From YouTubers and vloggers to travelers and filmmakers, Pocket 4 is designed to replace heavy gear. One of the biggest upgrades in DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is the new and larger camera sensor. We're expecting a 1-inch or next-gen stacked sensor, which means better low-light performance, more dynamic range, cleaner night footage, cinematic depth of field. Video quality is expected to reach 4K at higher frame rates and improved 10-bit color support. This puts Osmo Pocket 4 dangerously close to mirrorless camera quality in a device that fits in your pocket. DJI is going all in on AI with the Osmo Pocket 4. We're talking about smarter face tracking, improved ActiviTrack, automatic framing for vertical and horizontal videos, AI-powered stabilization. This means you don't have to think about framing. The camera does it for you. Perfect for solo creators, vloggers, and daily content. Of course, this is DJI, so stabilization is next level. Osmo Pocket 4 will feature upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal, faster motor response, better horizon lock. Whether you're walking, running, or shooting action scenes, footage stays buttery smooth. Battery life has always been important for pocket cameras. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to deliver longer battery life, faster USB-C charging, more efficient power management. This means longer vlogs, longer travel shoots, and fewer interruptions. DJI may introduce a larger rotating touch screen, better outdoor visibility, faster menu navigation. This improves one-handed control and makes filming more intuitive than ever. Now let's talk money. Based on previous models, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch around $349 and $399 USD. Pricing may vary depending on creator kits and accessories. For what this camera offers, it's incredible value. Compared to Pocket 3, the Pocket 4 offers bigger sensor, better low light, smarter AI, improved stabilization, longer battery life. This is a true generational upgrade, not a minor refresh. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate pocket camera for 2025. If you're a YouTuber, vlogger, traveler, or content creator, this could be your next main camera. The confirmed release date means the wait is almost over, and DJI is about to redefine portable filmmaking once again. Initial rumors late 2025, many Reddit users and sources initially expected a December 18, 2025 release, supported by an FCC filing in late November 2025. Delay confirmed mid-December 2025. Leaks from YouTubers and tech sites indicate DJI has postponed the launch, pushing it out of December. New target Early 2026. The new expected window is early 2026, with some sources pointing to January 2026. FCC filing details. The device passed FCC inspection in late November 2025, showing a larger battery. 1545 mAh versus 1300 mAh in the Pocket 3. Reasons for delay. Potential U.S. government actions against DJI might influence the release timing, overriding typical marketing cycles. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more DJI and tech updates. And comment below, are you upgrading to the Osmo Pocket 4?